Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change email address in Asana. Quick and easy. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Asana account. And then the next thing, I'm going to walk you through the process of creating your own account in Asana. So first thing, launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type asana.com. That's going to take you into the official website for Asana. Once you get to the website, follow through the on-screen prompt to create your account. And once you're done creating your account successfully, that's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Asana. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's tech, which is how to change email address in Asana. So from this homepage, we're going to head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have your profile picture, and then you have this extended menu. Click on that, and you can now go ahead and click on profile. So you have your profile, and then you see all of these things. All right, so head over to edit profile and click on edit profile, and it's going to take you right here. So over here, you see that you cannot change your email from here. You can change it from here, but there's a way you can get it done. So here at the top, we have the subheadings. Head over to email forwarding, and now it says email sent from this. Of course, create tags and messages there. So you can now go ahead and click on add new email. So add new email. And I said in order to add a new email, you need to re-authenticate. So you can click on re-authenticate. Google. All right. So right now, you can now add a new email address. So let's say so you can send verification mail. Going to confirm. Right. So here's the mail. So recently, all right, please click this link. All right, be sure. So I'm just going to click on this link. So this means I have to, of course, join Asana with that email. So I have accepted, that's fine. All right. So I can head over here. So I'm just gonna click on continue. Okay, I have to like sign up and set up. So I'm just gonna go fee and just gonna have to continue. Okay. Awesome. So I'm just gonna close this and refresh. So I'm refreshing my previous account. So I'm heading over to this again, and I'm going to profile. I'm going to edit profile. I'm going to email forwarding. So add new email. okay, that this person has been okay. Okay. Click link in the mail. All right, so I'm just like, okay, I've done that already, and so are we still going through this process of verification? All right, so okay. Okay, so it's invalid. So which one is more recent? This should be more recent. Okay, so I'm just gonna go back and let these people know that they have to resend the mail. All right, so it's changing between mails, so don't be worried. Okay. Okay, so they've given me a hack. All right, so it's I should copy. So I'm gonna highlight this. It's not working, so okay, so it's invalid. So I should okay. So I definitely think that all right. Okay. So the new email, okay, so you requested. Okay, so I don't know, this is not merging, so I don't know if that's already down. But then this is just the process. So just go ahead and click on add new email. And once you click on add email, ensure that you verify. And once you verify, so I think the service is currently having an issue at the moment. Once you verify, then you'll be able to add a new email, and you will not be able to, of course, delete the one that you've previously used. So just add a new email and you'll be able to change. So this is pretty much the process. You can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search. So this is seeming like it's posing a problem, but then to you, you may not have that problem, but this is just pretty much the steps. So I hope this tutorial helped you.